Hello creative people. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to dive into a material that has generated a lot of curiosity. Paul Rubens oil pastels. Is it all that it is cracked up to be, or a huge disappointment? My name is Norma Corrado. Stay with me until the end to find out, because I'm going to test it and show you all the details. For those who don't know, Paul Rubens is a brand that is already quite respected in the art world, especially when we talk about watercolors. But have they managed to maintain the standard with these oil pastels? Take advantage of it, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Paul Rubens oil pastels are classified as professional. The Paul Rubens oil pastel box is beautiful and very sturdy. They come with a brochure with all the sets of cases and colors available from the company. The brochure is written in Mandarin and English. As soon as you open the box, there is a protective foam for the oil pastels. The company has a box with several presentations. I will talk about the box with 48 colors. Although it is a box with 48 colors, it comes with 51 oil pastels. There are 2 white colors and 1 black. It is an oriental pastel chalk. According to the manufacturer, it is made of oil paste. The packaging shows information about the color and the pigment number. The size of the chalk is 70 by 12 millimeters. The chalk is very large and robust. Compared to the Pentel chalk, it is much larger and much wider as well. Just by picking up the chalk, we can notice that it is very oily, because the oiliness comes off the chalk very easily. The colors are well pigmented, vibrant and very pretty. It comes in 2 metallic colors, gold and silver. The color French ultramarine is a little translucent. Let's do a practical test. For this, I'm going to paint a beautiful dandelion at dusk. If you want to download the glass mold, I'll leave the link in the video description. The colors used are also in the video description. The texture is incredibly soft. You don't need to apply much force, the chalk glides well. But what about the pigmentation? The pigmentation comes off easily on the paper. It's very pigmented and oily. The beauty of a good oil pastel is in the smooth transition of the colors and how they mix. The mixture is very smooth and maintains the vibrancy of the colors, creating a very good gradient. You don't even need baby oil to mix the colors. Has excellent coverage. It accepted several layers well. It really looks professional. So, after trying it, what can I say? It's one of the best pastel chalks I've ever used. Paul Rubens oil pastels do have an incredible finish and great pigmentation, but like any material, they have their pros and cons, such as excess oiliness. It was totally worth it. The best part is removing the masking tape and revealing the art. So, artists, what did you think of this review? For me, this oil pastel was an incredible experience, but I want to hear from you. Have you tried it yet? What did you think? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and artistic tips. See you next time. Thank you.